Hello kids! Welcome back to Amazesphere Kids. Today we are learning two new helping verbs. Was, were. These words talk about the past. That means something that already happened. Let's learn together. When we talk about he, she, it, I, in the past, we use was. Say it with me. Was. Let's look at some examples. I was happy yesterday.
I was happy.
He was tired.
He was tired.
The cat was hungry.
The cat was hungry.
She was late.
She was late.
It was rainy yesterday.
It was rainy yesterday.
Notice something? All of these talk about the past. Now let's look at were. We were playing.
We were playing.
They were happy.
They were happy.
You were at school.
You were at school yesterday.
They and we are more than one person. That is why we use were. Now let's compare. I am happy. I was happy. See the difference? Am is now. Was is before. We are playing. We were playing. Are is now. Were is before. Very easy. Let's try together.
I was tired yesterday. They were at school. She was late. We were friends.
Great job, everyone. Was is for one. Where is for many. Was and where help us talk about the past. Learn with Amazesphere Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.